Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications every time someone new follows you on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent those new follower notifications on your PC, using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open X in your web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side of your screen for the More icon. Click on it, and a menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control and customize all your account settings. Next, find and click on Notifications. This section manages how and when you receive alerts from X. Now look for the Preferences option within the Notifications menu. Click on it, and you'll see a few more choices pop up. Choose Push Notifications. This is the area that controls which notifications get pushed to your device or browser. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled New Followers. To stop receiving notifications every time someone follows you, simply uncheck this box. This will immediately turn off new follower notifications, helping you enjoy a quieter, more focused experience on X. Don't forget to save your changes before you exit the settings. This ensures your preferences are updated, and you won't be bothered by new follower alerts anymore. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can take control of your notifications and keep your feed distraction-free. Whether you want to focus on content, conversations, or just enjoy a more peaceful browsing experience, these steps will help you tailor X to your liking. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to manage their notification settings.